Hi, I'm Alex. I'm going to show you how to safely jumpstart your car. First step is to locate your batteries in your car. It's usually inside the engine bay or could be located in the boot. Step number 2, position the cars correctly. Position them in a way that the cables aren't stretched. Step number 3, attaching the cables. Let's start by identifying what the positive and negative terminals look like. A plus symbol will identify your positive and a minus symbol will identify your negative. You must attach the red cable to the positive side of each battery first. You want to take the cap off, that's not going to work. Make sure you get a good firm contact on the positive side. You can safely do the same thing, no sparks are going to jump. Once the positive cables are attached, we can take our black lead, making sure we only put it on the negative side of both batteries. You want to make sure that we're never touching the black with the red at any time, just in case. Both cables are separated, and now we can go to the next step. This is our dead car and this is our support car. We're going to start our support car and let the battery charge for a bit, then we'll be able to start the dead car. Letting this run for a bit, we'll put some charge into the dead car. Would say give it about 2 to 3 minutes. Once we've let that sit for a bit, we can then start the car. Once you've started your dead car, you can start removing the leads, the reverse order we put them on in. Once you've jump started your dead car, you want to drive it for about 30 minutes to an hour, making sure you don't have to do this again. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps.